Looks clean when dry, the water knows. Rinse the glass, the pattern returns. Scrub it again, see what we learn. Dry may look clear, but water shows truth. Both tests must pass, that is the proof. Water knows, agua no miente. Water shows what eyes cannot see. Clean to the base, both tests must agree. Chemical on, let it dwell. Rinse and inspect, the arch remains. Patchiness fades, but beads remain, and cleaning helped. The water test failed. Evidence decides. Controlled polishing next.